today's Technical Corner, we're going to be discussing new innovations from Cogsdill, and I'm joined by Neil. So welcome, Neil.
Thank you, Gio.
Now, new innovations, what are they?
Okay, we have the new adjustable universal diamond burnishing tool.
So burnishing, let's start from the very beginning. What is burnishing and what are the benefits from burnishing?
Okay, well, burnishing is a cold working process. So you're effectively pushing the peaks of a machine surface into the valleys and producing a very good surface finish. So surface finishes below anything around about 0.4 RA are achievable.
So grinding surface finishes effectively.
Yep, correct.
So you're saving operations?
Yes, yeah.
What other benefits do you get from burnishing, Neil?
Okay, well, burnishing improves, as I say, surface finish, size, hardness. You get a up to 10% increase in hardness, and also fatigue life. So up to 300% increase in fatigue life.
Wow, 300% in fatigue life?
Yes.
Now that's a big statement to make. So effectively, your component in its working environment will last 3 times longer?
Yep, correct.
Big statement. Now, size, you say size, so basically you're achieving a stable process, but what kind of tolerancing, what kind of material you've got to leave on the component prior to burnishing?
Yeah, well, that does depend on the surface finish you've got beforehand, but in general terms, it's around sort of 5 to 10 micron size change, because you're pushing peaks into the valleys. So the higher the peak, the more your size change, but in general, 5 to 10 microns.
So huge benefits from burnishing for the correct applications. Now, you're already well known for burnishing. So what's new about this new innovation? What innovations are they? Okay,
well, this tool is fully adjustable through 180 degrees. So you've got a screw in the middle and that releases your head. So if you want to do an outside diameter or a large diameter bore, you could set it at 90 degrees there. If you wanted to do an outside diameter up to a shoulder, you could set it at 45 degrees and come up to the shoulder. If you wanted to do a face, you could set it at 0 degrees. And also the good thing about this tool is you've got 180 degrees movement, so you don't need a right or left-handed tool. If you've got a job where you need the tool handed,
the other way around,
you just adjust it.
So fully universal, really.
Correct.
So prior to this innovation, you had static burnishing tools for turning, but now you can do many operations all in one.
With one tool, yeah. So instead of having, say, for example, one tool to go up to a shoulder, one tool to do an outside diameter, and one tool to do a bore, this will do it all.
So not only
lends itself really. I'm sorry.
No, Neil.
No, it lends itself really to your subcontractor who may have many different applications coming along and never really knows what he's getting from one day to the next.
So let me get this straight. You're not only saving or getting an immediate investment on the burnishing from saving operations and having to transfer the part from one machine to another, but also now you're giving versatility to your customer to be able to do multi-operations. Now, I noticed that you've got a stepped shank back end here. Do you do other configurations of back ends? Yeah, we do.
Yeah, this is, as you rightly say, this is the 25mm square shank, but we also do it with a cap toe back end. So with a cap toe, you could actually put it on one of our facing heads and do large diameter bores. You can do tapers and outside diameters.
So even more versatility.
Yes.
So this has only been recently launched from yourselves. What kind of feedback have you been getting so far?
Really, really good feedback. They are selling already, and the tool works. It produces the surface finish that you need. As I say, anything below about 0.4 RA surface finish is achievable with that tool.
This is a fantastic invention and innovation from yourself. So, how should people get in touch to find out more?
Just go on our website, Gio, www.cogsdill.co.uk, and they can get in touch with us there.
Neil, brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Gio.